I'll be teaching you how to make slime. So you squirt this, a lot of hand soap, lots of hand soap. Then you get head and shoulders, and you squirt some there. So yeah. I'm just gonna put some Olay so you can like make it a kind of color, like a little purplish. I hate the freaking vacuum. Okay. Look, I just gotta use a pinch. So then mix it up very good. Mix it like it's already gooey, as you can see. I'm gonna get red. I use half of the red for pranks. Oh, if you haven't seen my video, please go look at my video. It's my YouTube channel. And yeah. Oh my god. Red and yellow makes what kind of color? Red and yellow. What can I make in color? Red and yellow. What kind of color now, man? So, oh shoot, that's a nice color. I have one black one. Okay. Fridge. I don't know how it happened. Oh, don't you dare look at that. I will get back to you when I got the final results. So, bye-bye. Oh, don't you